Twisted, of course. Welcome to the life. Yo. Up in the ride, I'm on no delay. Welcome to the life behind the stage. Walk in my shoes, I'm on underlay. The money, the life, and the price of fame. Zoom, zoom, what's a license? Flex, flex, what's a bicep? I've been working all day. 2-4, what's a night shift? Making money in a crisis. They can copy, they can right click. Can't ever do it like I did. Double tap if you like it. Backstage with the gang though. Bright lights, hear the fans go. Let it pull, let it pull. Yeah, we are follow, that's the handle. Twisted, of course. Lifestyle endorsed. Bright lights, of course. Win-win by force. Twisted, of course. Lifestyle endorsed. Bright lights, of course. Win-win by force.
Welcome to the Life Behind the Stage. This is Twisted. My name is Victoria Eze, but you can call me Miss Vic. Today, I pulled up to my friend's house. I never see him in a while, so I'm always waiting to happen. He is a musical Taliban #1. Singer, songwriter, performer, street king. I mean, you already know who it is, but just in case you don't, why not stick around and find out? Okay, so we've arrived. That's what they knock like say that me get house. Ta-da!
Wow, surprise!
Hey friends, how are you?
How you doing?
Long time no see.
Wow.
We don't come crash your house, so shall we come inside?
Come inside, man. Come enjoy yourself, man. I actually won ball out before, man.
This is where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. See now. How you gonna say now? We shall me get house.
I already know.
If you don't see this kind of thing.
See your logo, yeah.
See us now representing Street House. That was jam of the century.
You already know, double Allah.
For dead body. How fun now, fam?
X amount, man. I appreciate you guys, man.
See my girl looking so hot and spicy.
Funny enough.
Do you guys know who this is? Do you guys know who this is? This is the queen of the house. Nabil, where should they?
No, funny enough, I'll be one go, just give them small, surprise. She did office now.
Now, we'll rush out.
Yeah, we'll go there right now.
We'll do it. Now. All right, guys. Yeah. So I'm joining on this surprise that Rishafemi wants to give his wife. And we're taking you guys along because that's how we do. This is Twisted. I'm going.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Hey, correct.
Like a baby, oh marama. Make my body like a karaka. Let me make you happy, oh Amalia.
Hi guys, so we came to a nice spot in Lekki Phase 1 because Rishafemi wants to get some lunch for his wife. I mean, you can't show up to your wife's office without food. Sure, you get it. But me, I'm just outside, Sha. I don't know if he's going to give me, I don't know if he's going to buy for me, but any way it be. We move. All right, guys, keep it locked. This is Twisted. This is what you wanted.
Yeah, I got some,
What's her best thing to eat?
I think she loves noodles.
Noodles.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Thanks.
Romantic husband. So this is how we're pulling up now with a full bag.
And prawns.
Anything where I be today, I come up now, Baba God.
We don't reach finally. We've gone round Lekki to get here to surprise the queen of Rishafemi's heart. Maji!
I'm fine.
No run among.
I'll be live.
Make happy all the food now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Even though I'm not there inside, no problem.
No, you'll see.
We move, All right, so we're here at Nabila's office.
It's Nabilonia Luxury.
Nabilonia Luxury. So you guys come with us and see what it looks like. Let's go.
This is the
reception.
And so, you understand? Then we'll take you to the up.
We're going upstairs.
Side where the lounge is.
Now the main reception with this one now.
So this one now we call
VIP lounge.
God don't bless you. The only reason I finish.
Now VIP lounge.
So we have
Hi, our receptionist. What's your name? Antonia. Are you enjoying your work? Nice.
This is massive.
Yeah.
We got some of our superstars, star players, Osimhen, And the other one too in Didi. And we have my billionaire.
The boss
CEO.
babe.
Yes, and we have Joseph Yobo. Joseph Yobo, this one happened to be my great, I call him senior man because I'm very humble, CEO. Also, we have
Amaju Pene.
Amaju Pene. Okay. Surprise.
Hi, Nabil. We brought food. I will just pretend like I'm the one that bought it for you, but it was your husband. Girl, nice place you have here.
Nice to
wow, beautiful.
That's just busted.
I mean, how we go do now? We're at your house.
I think I'm going to give him a small surprise now.
Yes, now. Yeah. You see, women, we're always hungry. As long as it's our hobby that brings it to us. So we're here at Nabila Luxury. Do you want to take us around?
Yes.
Let's see what's happening. We saw some pictures. Yeah.
So this is what gives me all the inspiration.
Inspiration.
I love anything.
Football. Actually, we're not leaving for back.
Yeah, I'm going to go.
So this is where we brainstorm.
Oh, nice. Our boardroom.
Yeah.
Sit here and just do some brainstorming.
Think of how to get the money.
And
Then they touch the window go make and they just they pray make we rise and fall.
Mado.
They see us, they stand up.
Finally, last but certainly not the least.
this is where all the magic
Come on.
happens.
This is so beautiful. Nice. Superstar.
Mama and Papa, they
Who loves football more between the both of you?
I think
That's football, man.
Yeah?
But I play football,
always
though.
fighting, but he plays more football.
And you just know more about
Me,
it.
I make money
technicalities.
from football.
when they see we the ball, them they like to jealous. Yeah, come on.
Thank you for the hospitality, Nabila. It was
Thank
good to
you
see
for
you.
coming.
Good to see you again. I'll see you again soon. I'll come and eat my own food here, Amala and things.
You don't want to hug me?
More than kiss. one for the fans. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are just joining us, you don't carry last, but that's because, well, I mean,
So many things don't go down.
you don't occur. But welcome back. We're with musical Taliban Erishepembe. You know what age of my guy, and I saw I leave you last time, like 5 years ago. That's so you still be.
God do.
What's gonna happen now? How you been?
Yeah, I'm good. What's going on?
Nothing much. So since the last time I saw you, we have a record label now.
Of course.
Oh yeah, now just us.
Well, that was like 2014.
Yes.
Yeah, I have my own record label right now, MSN.G Entertainment Limited, and also the Arugumenite Sound. Arugumenite Sound basically is for the the live band performance.
All right.
So whenever you want us for any live band performance, we have our session men and all that. We're focusing on putting our project and our craft on the map.
Okay.
Like right now we're promoting what we call Afrobeat, because it's basically Afrobeat right now. A lot of people have been listening to reggae, blues, traps and all that. But right now we are basically promoting Afrobeat.
Afrobeat
Yeah,
is
because
taking over.
Afrobeat is all over the world right now. So we're trying to we are also the pioneer of Afrobeat, because I've been in the music industry for so long. But, yeah. Yeah. So and also what we're doing right now, it's a very unique opportunity for any upcoming artist.
Have you signed anybody yet?
Not yet right now. As I said, it's an
coming.
opportunity for them, to work with us right now, because we are basically projecting all our work internationally. So everybody that's working with us will be projected also.
Nice.
So that's
Nice. So what kind of artists are you looking at? Like if
I'm
somebody's
looking at-
watching now, how they gonna say they feel
Yeah,
their shots?
the truth is
Yeah.
I've worked with so many artists, so many upcoming artists. I've worked with I can't start naming that, but I think I've worked with so many of them right here in Nigeria, even overseas.
Yeah.
But I used to have this comment from the fans, like they need somebody that can replicate me, in terms of. To me, I believe it's gonna be hard, looking for someone like that.
Of course.
But I think if I have somebody that has a little bit, experience, how to, project it or herself, in a unique way, because what makes me who I am today is my uniqueness.
Yes.
So
Originality.
so I can, give that person a huge support, like try to,
Push them. So does he have to be an Afrobeat artist?
Not really, but if you're gonna come outside, this African continent, you understand, we're gonna key you into the Afrobeat, because what we're promoting is Afrobeat.
Nice.
Yeah.
So if anybody wants to approach you and submit their own, maybe like audition to you, how do they get in touch with you? Because your superstar could be watching this show right now.
We have
Is there an email?
we have a Instagram account right now,
Okay.
which is my record label Instagram account. We have the MSN Gang account.
Okay. So it's called MSN Gang.
You have the Orisha Femi News. We have
Okay.
Orisha Femi MSN Gang, and also we have the MSN Gang Studio.
Okay.
And also you can also contact us through my personal account, which is Orisha Femi, as you know,
Yeah.
verified.
Yeah.
So-
Of course. But you know that your DM can be very crowded.
If it be business, I would send them to my manager. But if you carry another thing on,
So we're looking for originality.
Yeah.
Someone that can sell themselves. If you know you're the person.
Yeah, if you have everything that will make you, become who you're.
The next big star.
Who you want to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because everybody has, plans, and but sometimes when you give them the opportunity, it becomes something. As if you're trying to, force something in there.
Right.
But the truth is, if you already have the plan already, that this is what you want to do, because basically, I could remember when I started from, my ghetto at Jegule, my father actually wanted me, to be an engineer, because that was, you understand? So, but I chose music.
I just imagine I'm laughing.
Yeah, you understand? So
Yeah.
I choose music. I say now music me I want to do. So basically you understand, saying now waiting me I don't plan.
Yeah.
Say now which I want to do. So if now which you want, don't be say already you get some for mine, say you want to do doctor. Saying one because just to say Orisha Femi,
They make
so you said one bounce into
contract.
music. So that is where the complication
Yeah.
started from. So I want somebody that has that, that uniqueness, gets ready,
knows what he
You see
wants.
so many young artists right now, they're making it, because music right now, hot cake right now.
I'm telling you.
That's the truth,
It's always been safe.
Before we could remember where they shoot videos, music video would be like, 3 million, but right now 15 million, 25 million to shoot music video. You could not say no be
No be beans.
Yeah.
I did tell you. But I'm glad you're even talking about this now, because you have a lot of young people that look up to you like, I'm more Baba for streets. I mean, we're getting food and literally boys on the streets, young boys, Baba, Risha, baby streets. So all those kind of guys, especially the ones that are trying to break into your kind of industry. Which kind of advice, based on your experience, you could say, guys, listen to me and listen good?
I always want to, encourage, mostly the people from the street, because I'm actually, the project of street.
Yeah.
So, the streets already, you have the, so every street guys, want to push themselves.
Yes.
Every street guys,
Yes.
when you enter streets, for example, now, when you meet one guy, say, you go fit do this capital work, you go raise your hand immediately. That means every street guy has a potential. So if you as a street man, when you say, okay, this is what you want to do, you understand me now? You have to put everything where you get. Let me say, because of say, you're a street guy, you go and jump into the level. You have to put everything, you understand? Mostly the street guys always name it. But a lot of people don't know.
True.
Yeah, because he already now, you don't get the confidence to do anything.
True.
But if you can put the 100% into this thing, you understand me now? So you will get what you want. So that's just it, I'm just advising you guys, the street guys, because, and always know that, end for street.
Yeah.
You understand? Me too, I don't believe I will do what I did today. You understand? A lot of people will die here, they will look me, I don't know how they put it, maybe probably say they commonize me because I'm from the street, you understand? But right now, you go check and balance them. You understand?
Check
so
and
what I'm trying to
balance
say is try to,
give your 100%.
Yeah, know what you're looking for and also give it your 100%. That's what's up.
But you know that some people will tell you that they've given their 100%, but they still never see opportunity. Then what next?
Yeah, because you never reach.
You never reach your time. So when time reach?
When I say never reach, your 100 never reach. And you know, go fit tell people say you don't give 100%. Now people could tell you, bro. That's just the truth, man. Like how you tell somebody something, you're like, I get picky, I tell and say, this is what you write. Nah, you say, Baba, that one are your old school time. Oh, meaning I know go primary school, I know go to that. I go through all those things too.
Yeah.
You understand me now? So I say everything we, as a man, don't be you will tell people say you don't reach.
True.
You understand? So already that's the way they tell you. So that means they try to limit himself or herself. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Because a lot of people will come outside and say they give their 100%. If someone like Messi today, if they sign and then they get a lot of endorsement and also moving from one club to another. My brother, you can do it. My sister, you can also do that. You understand? So no limit yourself. How you gonna say you don't give your which 100? Mostly, the people they pay me pass now youth.
Nigerian
youth go just come and say, Baba, I don't try everything. I don't try. I try this one. What be age? I check and balance. I say they talk. 9 months I got the look. You understand? You they tell me say you don't try. What me want me? Which let me tell you. And I think they climb, they go. So what are you telling me? What are you telling me, my bro?
Oh, Joy, man. You've been in the industry for quite a while.
Yeah.
You don't do this music. You don't enter your bones.
Don't be lying.
But if it wasn't music, what do you think you would have done? Definitely not engineer, Sha.
Yeah, I knew my father would always want to make me, become one of the best engineer.
Till now?
You understand? I know that is my father. I know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because that was his intention. Because my father has every of my control then. You understand? But basically, I was actually playing music and football.
So this football thing is a couple stuff.
Football
Did
is,
you and Nabila bond on football?
I don't even know that I'm gonna, get married to Nabila.
Are you
like
serious?
someone that loves football,
Right.
I was a great footballer.
So what convinced you that someone this Nabila and she?
It's God.
Yeah.
Let me just put it that way.
You just know. Is it true what they say that when a man sees the one for him, he go just know, say
it's for real.
this
yeah.
is the one.
That's
yeah?
for real. Yeah. For me, that's for real.
Nice.
And I think sometimes God know what you do. By sometimes by trying to bless you with beautiful things.
Yeah.
I'm so lucky. I'm one of the luckiest men on earth.
He knew what you
You
needed,
understand?
and that's what he gave
You understand?
you.
Because God have been blessing me. God have been so nice to me. For blessing me with a beautiful wife with this.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Beauty.
I'm not saying a beautiful, person. She's highly intelligent
She's
and she's smart.
I mean.
So and also to my beautiful kids, and to my mom. My mom, she's been my backbone also, and also she kind of look like my wife. Yeah, when I saw Nabila, I was looking at my mom, when my mom was still in an early age, because my father is a very handsome man also.
I mean, you're no bad now, so.
You understand? So, and I just want to thank God that everything it's working.
Aligned. It worked how it was supposed to work.
Yeah.
But if there is one thing that Orisha Femi said they will remember you for, what do you want that to be?
I want people to remember me for my good. I know a lot of people don't understand. I actually, grew up, from the street. You understand? Doesn't mean that I'm from the street.
Right.
Yeah, because my father is a very calm person, very generous person. Always, trying to make sure everybody is okay, whether you're his family or not, friends, saints, trying to, render help. It's a philanthropist to me, you understand?
Yeah.
So, and then my siblings, my brother, because we're very much almost, if we don't go reach, we go reach like 30.
Wow.
Where my father get, yeah, you understand?
One man.
But the truth be say, inside those 30 children, and only me different inside. Yeah, like very peaceful home.
Snatcher.
You know, you can never see my brothers or any of my siblings, you know, trying to, you know, come out on social media whenever it has any controversy. You don't even know whether this one or the
No,
family
you will
brothers.
not,
Some
yeah.
people even say now, leave me now, them born for
like
this
me.
world. You understand? Because that's the difference. Because I'm very, very unique.
But you're not the oldest, are we?
Yeah, but I decided, you know what I did? I said, no, I can't live in this. Because my family in Ariaje, but we are born in Ajegule, you understand?
Yeah.
So they truly pamper me like, but me, I said I won't enter, you know, make I feel the street.
Right.
Trust me, when that maybe the real Ajebota will enter streets. Way different from all the streets. You know, a lot of people will come to the street that time, they will look at me and say, man, this guy look different from all of them. Now, mind all of them, all those bugs, they tell them, say, now I'll grab it that too.
So you just carry yourself enter streets when they say they put you for streets. That's
telling
great.
you. The first time I actually chill with some of my friends, you know, in their house, and they brought. Do you know what they brought? When they brought a wedu with only momo, you understand? You know, they brought a wedu and
So when
just
you remaining
momo,
meat.
no meat, and no stew. My sister, this is what they talk to. That day now I know say. For my own life, I dey tell my papa say, if I say you don't try you. But when I go back house, I shake my papa with 2 hands.
So you too try.
Say, what's going on? That's my first experience. And I know say ghetto. Inside ghetto, that is ghetto.
There's levels.
You get my point?
I tell you.
So I tell you, say, I no go lie for you. I clap for my people. I say, man, you people are trying though.
Honestly.
Though we were born in Ajegule, you understand me? Before my father go even they feed a lot of people. You understand me? Inside that slum, it takes a lot. But my own be say, I can't, you know, enter street. When I enter the street, I use everything, you know, where I see inside that street. I remember where they come from. You understand? So me, what I see, I know that time, you know,
Affect
me. Basically, you know, we for no end up in Ajegule. You understand? Because my school I had to go then Daylight Nursery Primary School, a very classic school, you know, in Ikoyi. I said they will use car, they can't drop me. But when things can't change, you understand me now? They have to take me back to Tolu Primary School.
Okay.
When I enter Tolu Primary School, I speak English with my.
They look this one. Let's say worry this one. Why you package for us?
Look this guy. What is here now? What is the happen? But trust me, what did they tell like me? Be say, you know, what I learned from the school where I go down to my, you know, private school. You know, now they actively showcase my, you know, my music talent. They build that my music talent there. They build that my, you know, sports. You know, everything I get, I carry sport, different things now they do. So they build that. So when I can carry and go down to Tolu School, and I make all the exams. I did the popularity taste that.
Germinates.
So you don't get my point now.
Look at you now, all swagged out with the bling and everything. Orisha Femi, let's discuss this your latest jam where you want bless us with. What inspired it? Why Iyanya?
Yeah, not too serious. So I just see Iyanya one day, you know. You understand? I just believe. And because me already now, I know. I already said it that I have my, you know, my packet that I want, you know, to project myself. Afrobeat, you understand me now? So already now Afrobeat now I need to blow everywhere for the world.
I'm telling you.
So, but I feel I need to do something Afrocentric, you know. We go, you know, enter part of, you know, I don't enter more of, you know, traveling all over the world, you know, going to, you know, Europe, you know, Asia, you know, America, you know, trying to do my thing. You know, but right now, you know, it's just that, you know, there's a says that, you know, charity, you know, begins at home. So I try much as possible, you know, to cover all the African countries. Because I have, you know, I got my, you know, African country tour coming out any moment from now. So
nice.
And I say.
Now with this COVID, what did happen?
We don't pray for bad thing.
Yeah, we don't pray for bad thing.
We with the move.
We don't pray for bad thing. Bad thing already happened now. COVID
yeah. We don't always pray for bad thing. If at all, but we move. That's what's up. So I'm trying to say is, so I meet my, you know, my homeboy Iyanya. You know, basically, you know, be say I know fit, you know, do something with, you know, like of what they call it, this African, you know, artists. You understand me? Now? But I know we have our own African,
Of
artists
course.
favorite. Like we got likes of Flavor. We got Inyanya. We got Jay Martins. A whole lot of them with the P Square. These now people will say that quote unquote the African area. So I decided to do something with them. And also basically I believe Inyanya these days it's been laid low like for a while.
Yeah, I never to drop anything.
Yeah, so and then when I said let's do something and once and for all he just
Came on it.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to put that song together?
That song was produced by my producer, new in-house producer, Tusha.
Okay.
It takes just 5 hours. 5 hours, to put that, good song together. Yeah, I just want to say I love you guys. You guys have been so amazing. I want to say, maximum respect to my fans, home and abroad. I want to say, maximum respect to all the media houses. You guys have been my backbone, So I love you guys. Hip TV, the best TV. Guys that want, guys that want run on this. Who they check out? So
before I let you go, I'll give you just one quick game. Because this is Twisted, I'm going to ask Orisha Femi to say musical Taliban 5 times, very fast, no breathing.
I have to roll my mouth first.
Roll it now. Okay.
Music and Taliban, 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 music and Taliban. Acha, 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 acha.
Alright guys, that's our time on the show right now. We'll soon close with Orisha Femi featuring Inyanya on their new jam. But before that, make sure you follow us on Instagram and official Hip TV, on Twitter. It's Hip TV. And you can follow me as well at Miss Vic, MIZVICK, because why not?
Baby.
What's it called?
Baby.
Say it loud.
Baby featuring Inyanya.
Give us one line inside.
Directed by Clarence Peter.
Give us one line inside.
Produced by Tusha.
Come on. Oh yeah, give us.
Coupe de Calais.
Yeah.
Everybody just the samankwe.
Come on.
And I like the way you're the guests there for the pleasure they shake am.
Yeah.
Everywhere man, plenty money then now we go chop am.
Come on.
Now we get our money we dey spend and now we want to check am.
Hey.
Take it
See me, I see the dance. Alright guys, until we see you next week. Enjoy. Mwah. Bye guys.
Everybody just the samankwe. And I like the way all the guests there for the pleasure they shake am. Everywhere marama, dirty money then now we go chop am. Now we get our money we dey spend and now we want to check am. Living la vida loca, funny things no be local. This is no say no ballers way, sabi get no go look away. Normally na men dey run am.
Twisted, of course. Welcome to the life. Yo. Up in the ride, I'm on no delay. Welcome to the life behind the stage. Walk in my shoes, I'm on Andale. The money, the life, and the price of fame. Zoom, zoom, what's a license? Flex, flex, what's a bicep? I've been working all day. 2-4, what's a night shift? Making money in a crisis. They can copy, they can right click. Can't ever do it like I did. Double tap if you like it. Backstage with the gang though. Bright lights, here the fans go. Let it po, yeah. We I follow, that's the handle. Twisted, of course. Lifestyle endorsed. Bright lights, of course. Win-win by force. Twisted, of course. Lifestyle endorsed. Bright lights, of course. Win-win by force. Win-win.